Hey, what's up, everybody? Joshua with Oki here, and today we're going to cover the Pavia land sale that's happening tomorrow for the second edition of their land drop. Now, they're going to be dropping about 50,000 land plots, land parcels, whatever you want to call them, into their metaverse system. Now, this is going to be the second edition. The first one, they already dropped about 30,000, and that sold out within like 36 hours or something like that. They had somewhere around like 3,000 followers. So right now, Pavea has way more followers than they did originally when they had their original drop. Now they have 21,000 followers. So this land drop that's going to be happening tomorrow around 1500 UTC, which is around I think 3 o'clock Eastern U.S. Standard Time. Um, they're going to sell out pretty quick. I'm thinking at least within the first 20 minutes, maybe in the first hour or two, things like that. So if you want to get into this, make sure you load up your Yori wallet, your DDS wallet, whatever it's called. I personally use Yori. It's a lot easier and just kind of what I'm used to. So that's what I plan on using for this project to pick it up or whatnot. We do have some general information here about this project as well. We're going to go over. So it's tomorrow, Wednesday, the 24th of November. Each land parcel is about 45 ADA, and you can actually order up to 30 land parcels per transaction. The reason why you would do this is so that way you can have a chance to get an estate. An estate would be something like 9 parcels in total, but they're all together, like as a whole. And this has many different benefits that we probably won't cover. But one of the cool things, I guess, is that for now you could put like your logo or on this land plot until you decide to start building on this land plot. Also, if it wasn't like a estate, basically each one of these parcels has like enough land in between so people could walk through. And if you had an estate, it kind of cuts off those walkways. So there, a lot of people. That's like a king wearing a crown. So a lot of people chase these estates, and the only way you can get them is you have to order 9 land parcels all at once. So you could do 9 on one transaction, see if you get an estate, and then if you have more money to spare, then you can buy another 9 if you want to. But you can also just buy a single one by itself, and go that route as well. Whatever your budget is, I think if you were to try to buy, let's say, 12 parcels of land, you're looking at like $950 or something US. So it's not cheap. But the thing is so these are 45.88 a piece to buy the land sale tomorrow on launch. And when the first land sale, land one, was done, it was only 39.88. And the floor actually of the Pavea system. So if you don't know, CNFT.io is the secondary market for selling Cardano NFTs. So basically, here is the Pavea um, floor. And basically, if we sort from low to high, we can see that the floor right now is 120, 150, 176, 180, 205. So we're very quickly getting up into the 200s ADA for the floor price to be able to purchase one of these. So that's pretty cool. Um, if you would have gotten in at 39.88, now they're valued at like 150. So you would easily, I don't know, like 3 extra money there. And again, tomorrow the land sale is going to be about 45.88 a piece. And I'm looking at buying about 12 myself, and then I'll go from there. I'm not exactly sure if I want to buy 12 land parcels, at least 9, I know for sure, but we'll have to see and whatnot. Because basically, you can just buy one and then I think resell it on the marketplace for like 188, and you basically just flip your money very very quickly. That's what I'm thinking. Some more general information about this. Again, you can only buy up to 30 parcels of land per one transaction. They also updated their map, so now they have an updated map. Previously, it was kind of old and outdated, pretty bad. So now they have this new thing. Basically, what you want to do is, if you're looking for like a certain piece of land and like a location, you can take these numbers. For example, like 0 minus 133. And let's say we had it here, so we got minus 10 and then 29. It actually it'll take you to the coordinate on the map, and then it also shows up like a little red dot. So this is one of my properties. As you can tell, I'm very close to the center. This is what they would say like the center square, and I'm just like right there. But you can zoom all in, and basically, like, what if I wanted to buy this plot land here or this one here? Then I can just search right here in the bottom left hand corner. You can see the cursor coordinates there, 930, and you can just basically look it up over here and see how much it is. Maybe you'd want to buy it off the secondary. They also got a partnership with Ready Player Me. Basically, this is a cross-game avatar that's going to be able to move between the metaverses. I think it's also free as well, which is pretty cool. So you might want to look into this and get it linked up if you buy a piece of Pavia land or something. I haven't had a chance to go down this route yet, um, but I just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention and everything like that. Also, if you guys haven't already figured it out, you guys should join our Discord. We have Culture Coin. We're starting our own blockchain technology. We're starting our own projects and going to be launching a lot of cool things. So one of the cool ways to keep up with a project that we're just starting, it's going to be fresh, obviously, is to join our Discord group and be in before everybody else, right? That's key. But also to keep up with some of the other things that we talk about. We talk about the market, what's going on with projects. Obviously, we've been talking about Pavia all single day, and we're just getting ready for tomorrow. We also talked about Sandbox. We originally called Sand at $2,500, and right now Sand is valued at something like almost $14,000 at the floor, and we called it at $2,500. So just like, we got into the Pavia back when the first land sale was done. So we just try to keep up on things. Some other things maybe you guys want to know about just real quick before we wrap up this video is we're looking at the general market for the gaming coins, the gaming cryptos, and just looking at like the Sandbox. This is another metaverse land play that's out there. In the last 7 days, they're up 98%. Then you have Engine Coin, they're up 28%. Then you got Gala Games, they're up 205%. You got UFO Gaming, 60%. So definitely the metaverse gaming type of plays are where a lot of the money is being placed right now versus things like, excuse me, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever. So hopefully you guys like this video. Again, join our Discord, communicate, reach out to us, all that good stuff. Also, if you guys have a moment, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. I give out a lot of good information, a lot of good coins, talk about a lot of different things that's happening. Usually before I put up a video, I only do a video whenever I got time. So also make sure you guys hit the like, hit subscribe. Talk to you guys later.